Hey, y'all, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how I get down with Captain Chords. It's basically a program that allows you to create progressions, modify them from a collection of scales, progressions of different styles, genres, hundreds of options. It could be customized. It's just kind of like a song starter. Maybe help you find a vibe or something that you want to build off of. As a pianist, I think it's just awesome to see the chords, lay them out, modify however you like. And if you're not a musician and you're not really sure about chords, and this program also helps you with song arrangement, progressions, and how to variate them. It's cool for either musician or not. But here I have this 1-7-6-4 progression. It's in the key of F sharp minor. It sounds a little something like this. And what I want to do is build towards this other section I created. So you can see it's the same progression, but I added some upper harmony to kind of help it feel like it's building towards a hook. Now what I want to do is just get a variation of this verse where I'm getting maybe richer chords without changing or exciting it too much. And I want to show you some of the features that Captain Chords has. So let's find something. So here's the original arrangement that I have, and I just want to add little variations to it. Let's see what happens. A couple things you could do here is you could take that same chord, and I can go here and add variations that are already kind of suggested, or I can just click on this little complexity button and it will increase the complexity of the chords. Basically, it adds more chord tones to it. So we get this just from pressing that button twice. You know. And I like this note. I'm not sure I like this A. Take it out. Maybe this chord. I can press this button here to make an inversion of it. Oh, I like that already. I like the way this bass line is climbing. So let me see what happens if I bring. Let me see what happens if I add a little complexity. Oh, nice. Okay. And then let me bring this inversion up. I actually want this chord to climb a little. Ooh, nice. Then I'm gonna add some. Let me see if I take this and move it. And then this one, let me add a little complexity. Interesting, right? So when you see this color change to green, you're creating tension. And typically what you want is to create tension and then release it. So these red chords are begging to come back home to the one. And when you throw a green in there, in this case, this chord looks like it's a 2 diminished or diminished 7. So it's adding more tension that gets to be resolved. It's cool to see that you can create those changes. Very nice. So it's slightly different from the original. It looks like it's climbing, which I like. I like to feel that bass kind of give me some movement. So I'm going to render this and then drop it in. Very easy. Right into my DAW, I can do a little crossfading. So there's no clicks or pops. Let me test it real quick. Cool. So let's see. Let me test it out. Cool. Check this out. So what you can do, if you are all set with the chords, you can also take those same chords. Instead of exporting them as an audio, you can take the MIDI, just literally drag it in to another instrument, and you have MIDI data that you could then use on a different VST. Like I have this Polymax playing an arpeggiation, and that's something that later on when I go to bounce this as a wave, I can get one with the cutoff is low, one where I turn the cutoff high, and have variations to help me play with the dynamics more. Same thing with this arrangement down here. I pulled the chords from Captain and I dumped it into this VST to create more layers. When I put them together, anyways, that's all I have for y'all today. I hope you're curious to see what more Captain Chords can do for you. I've been having fun with it. I mean, it just helps me kind of get creative quicker and then just build on these ideas with ease, find new ways to produce and improve my productivity. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to sound off below. Take care of yourselves out there. God bless. Peace out, y'all.